Okay, so now that we have created our material specifications, the next step is to create our suppliers. So we'll come to the purchase section, click on the suppliers button. Here I can see all the suppliers that I've already added. To create a new one, we'll just click on the new supplier button here. We will enter the supplier name. Let's call them ABC International for now. We will enter the phone number, the email address, and their tax ID or their GST number, their billing address, and their qualifications. So let's say your supplier has an ISO 13485 or a MD5 license or an ISO 9001 or any other custom qualification that you want to track. You can also add that here and just simply click on the add supplier button. So we can see that our supplier is created. Now we will come to this supplier. Now, before ordering any material from this supplier, we need to approve that particular material for this supplier. So to do that, we will come here in the edit approved materials section. We will choose which materials we want to approve for this particular vendor. Let's say I'm approving the titanium grade 5 sheet and the nebulizer motor, and we'll click on the approve icon. So as you can see, it hardly took 2 minutes, but our suppliers are created, their approvals are created, their qualifications are also created. Now, if you want to record any reviews for this supplier, you can just simply click on this add review button. Here you can give them an overall rating, their quality rating, the delivery rating, the service rating, and any additional comments. Let's say late delivery, right? So you can just do that and click on submit, and you can add multiple reviews. So let's say whenever you receive any order from that particular vendor, you can create a review every time. Now that we have added our supplier, we are ready to move ahead with the purchase flow.